is on our minds today. Whittingham with a great ball forward to find Scott Malone, running towards the byline. Good first touch into the area, Malone across, Cardiff overhead. What a brilliant start for the Bluebirds, and it's Joe Mason.
Cardiff City 1, Brighton 0, but the clearance only finds O'Keefe. Plays it forward to Immers, turns it wide. Pilkington going forward, can he get the shot in? He can! 2-0! Anthony Pilkington! Allowing Connolly to come forward, and he slides it forward to Whittingham. Whittingham with the shot! Whittingham scores! 1-0 to Cardiff City.
It's casual magic from Peter Whittingham.